Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer a couple of questions regarding Android apps in Windows 11 that users have been actually sending me. First of all, a lot of you are coming back to me saying, I got Windows 11 installed. I don't see the store with the Android apps. Nobody has the store yet. This is coming later this year, and it is not available to any insiders right now, as it's probably not totally completed. So what's going to happen is that in Windows 11, there's a new store that's installed when you get Windows 11. And in that new store, there will be the Amazon App Store. So from the Amazon App Store, you'll be able to get whatever Android apps there are from there. How is it going to work? It's going to work because Microsoft will have enabled in Windows 11 the Windows Subsystem for Android. So some of you might know that there's a Windows Subsystem for Linux, which lets you run Linux and Linux command lines and so on. But there's going to be something called Windows Subsystem for Android. And what is interesting and what we are learning is that some Microsoft engineers have actually confirmed that sideloading of Android apps will be possible. What's sideloading? Well, sideloading of an app means that you are bypassing the store to install, for example, the APK, which is the package that contains the app for Android. Now, that will add, of course, if you do this, it will add some dangerous side to it, because obviously that will also mean that you're going to take a chance if you don't know where you're getting your Android apps. But it will be apparently possible, but we don't know how it's going to actually happen. So the Android store will be from Amazon. It will be in the Microsoft store, and it is going to come this fall. They said later this year, so this fall probably for Android. And you'll be able to play any, or pretty much, if you sideload, you'll have almost any Android apps that you want that you'll be able to use. And of course, there's the apps from Amazon that are also available, but that's more of a limited. For those that have a Kindle app, a tablet, for example, you know that the list of Android apps from the Amazon store is much smaller than the Google Play Store. But it won't need any Google Play services apparently to work with the Intel bridge, and it's going to work on AMD, on Intel, and on even ARM processors apparently. So that's coming up later this year for those that were asking. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.